about to do the T-Rex arms, pistol course fire drill, Glock 19, and a shot timer. Holstered. That's in a 168 garbage. This one's holstered, 2 shots in the head. Both C's. Both C's. Alright, this one's one-handed head box. Alright, so the last one was 4.03, 2 shots. That's awfully shit, but I'm very rusty. Now I'm gonna do 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's hope I remember it right this time, but we'll see. Shit. I fucked it. That was 814. First shot in a 165. Do a 180 and 3 rounds left, and then slide like reload, 3 rounds right, and yeah. All right. I forgot. Oh shit. Now I'm about to do 2 shots left, then run back there, and then do 2 shots on the right. Alright, so I'm gonna do 2 shots on each one, and then run and reload, and then do 2 more shots on each one. $14.58. Right now, on the buzzer, I'm gonna move up and shoot 4 rounds on each target. You ready? All right, so we got, this was the 2 in the head, so that's good. And then we should have 16. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Okay, so they're all here. I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 A's, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 C's, and Nope. 10 C's. 10 C's, and then 2 D's, 2 deltas. So that wasn't bad. This one I got like no A's, but let's see. This one I need 2 in the head, which I have, and then 13 in the torso. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So I have all 13. I got 1, 2, that's a line breaker, 3, 4 alphas. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, no, 11 Charlies, and 1 delta. And then this one, I need 2 in the head and 15 in the torso. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. All 15 hits, so didn't miss any shots. That's good. I got 1, 2, 3, 4 alphas. Nope, 5 alphas. 5 alphas. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 Charlies. Yeah, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 deltas. Okay, we'll add that up here in a little bit. All right, so we just added everything up. The no misses definitely helped. Total time of 49.73, not bad. And then the total points was 162, and then the hit factor was 3.26, not bad. We're gonna do this again. See if we can get a better score. So we got from compress ready, 2 rounds, head box. God, that was low as fuck. That was 163. Pretty bad shot placement wise. I hate myself. This is holster. This is the last one. That was that. Alright, the holstered head box. Oh shit. Keep going on with our day. That was 2 C's in 2.3 seconds. I didn't even catch the 3rd shot. It was so fast. But there was 3. Get out of the way. There was 3 shots. So now we're gonna do one-handed, 2 in the head. .61. Okay, so this one, I'm gonna go 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, so I'm gonna start and do a turn and do 3, slide like reload, 3. Fuck, shit it. Shoot the brick. Shoot the brick on that one. Off. Time was 8:07. Now I'm gonna do 2 rounds in the left. From here, run back, 2 rounds in the right. .38. I'm gonna do 2 on each target and then reload as I'm moving and then 2 more on each target. Whoa. I fucked that up hard. Fucked that one up big time. And that was a time of 16.61. All right, now I'm gonna run up and I'm gonna shoot 4 on each target. This drill, this time of this drill, we've had a lot of fuck ups. So, do I know what's gonna happen? Absolutely not. We need 2 in the head. Okay. 16 in the body. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. All of them here. Don't know how. 1A. Nope. 1, 2, 3, 4. It's breaking the line. You can see it breaking the line. 4 A's. Got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 C's. Well, you know what? Fuck it. We'll say 11 C's. We'll count this as a C for you haters. 11 C's and 1, 2, 3 A's. 3 A's, 11 C's, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 deltas. This one, I need 2 in the head, neck, and yeah, that's there. Good grouping, needed to be here. And I need 13 in the body. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Ah, fuck, I fucked that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. And I got 1A. Shitty. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 C's. Did I count this one? We'll do it again. I'll count it again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11 C's and 3 D's. Okay, so we got all our hits right now. I was cutting it close on these 2 right here. It's a little too close for my liking. These 2 were supposed to be here. Don't know what the fuck I was doing, to be honest with you. But they're still on paper. So that's not going to be a C. That's not going to be an A. It's going to be a C because that's the A I was going for. Anyway, 2 for the head and 15 for the torso. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Timeout. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Yeah, I missed one. Do I know where? It's probably one of these. I pulled the shit out of it somewhere. I was probably shooting too fast. So that's gonna suck. We got 2 A's, 1, 2, 3, 4. Wait, no. We got 3 A's. 3 A's. And then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 C's and 3 D's. And 1 mic. And we'll go add that up and then we'll see what I did. Probably shittier, but that was a shit show. That was a total time of 56 seconds, 7 seconds slower than my last one. And then total points of 88 because I had that mic and I got like no A's. Got like 6 A's. So my hit factor was 1.57. pretty shitty. But I messed up that drill like twice, and then I had a malfunction, and I also just like, yeah, I messed it up. So I'll try to do better next time. But for right now, the 3.26, the first one wasn't terrible. But that's gonna be it.